అంటే 10-year investment plan మేము 2 years back release చేసాము. That is continuing. We have nearly 500 employees already working in Divitipalli. Within 2 years, that will go to maybe 2,000 or 3,000 employees. And within 10 years, it may go to 7,000 or 8,000 employees. We're still on schedule. We're continuing with the investment plan. There's been no interruptions. And government has been very supportive. Hyderabad is a city. For investors, we look at the state, not only city. So the city is a very good destination. అందుకే it's one of the most happening cities in India. And తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఎక్కడుంటే అక్కడ బాగా గ్రోత్ వస్తుందని నాకు చాలా I believe that very strongly, and I'm sure both the Telugu states, Amaravati and Hyderabad, will continue to develop and break records for the country and serve the country in its growth.